Okay, once again, I'm welcome you all here. And today we are going to learn about the next important HTML tags of a HTML language, not which normally we are able to perform the or create a basic static web pages. Till now, we have been completed lots of text formatting tags, basic tags concerning to the HTML language. And next, the tags which we have to do, which are the which we have to learn, nothing but the basic advanced type of tags through which we are able to create a web page more interactive, interactive in the sense which is becomes more beautiful to look like. Okay, and to do that. We have to follow certain tags which we are going to tell you. Okay, let's start our presentation here. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, is it visible to you? Is this screen is able to view दिसते का तुम्हाला screen? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next important tag which we are going to learn, which is a marquee tag. It is the one type of text formatting tag. Text formatting tag means we are not actually directly make a changes into the text format, but we are applying a certain effect to the text which we are going to use with the help of marquee tag. The marquee tag is nothing but the HTML tag normally used to scroll the given text or the images within the web page, which we have to use. Suppose we want to use the web page and we want to scroll certain important text onto the web pages, or we want to scroll the image, that time we use the marquee tag. And this particular marquee tag is used in HTML as well as HTML5. HTML5 is the advanced version of HTML language. Okay. And when we want to use the marquee tag, that time the certain syntax we have to use that first the marquee keyword with opening angle bracket, and in between the opening angle bracket and closing angle bracket, you have to use the different or several attributes. These attributes are nothing but the values which we have to assign to the text. Whatever the text, we are going to apply the text effect. Okay. Here we have to use the keyword marquee. Then attribute name. Attribute names are the, nothing but the effects. Means on which direction you have to move the text, what are their size, what are their width, what are their height, all these type of attributes which we have to include in between the opening and closing marquee tag. Okay, here we apply the effect between this. After that, we put the text on which we have to apply the effect. This is the text on which actual effect was applied. Okay, and the closing tag is as usual forward slash and marquee. This is the basic tag which is normally apply the effect to the images or the text value which we have to use on our web page. Okay, let's see the some of the attributes name given here. The attributes are the width, height, direction, behavior, scroll delay, loop, background color, and there are the other attributes also available, but I didn't put here. Means all these attributes are nothing but the effects which we are going to apply on this text or image, whichever the image we are going to put onto the web pages. All these effects are applied with the help of marquee tag. And this is the example of marquee tag. Here, in between the first marquee tag means opening angle bracket, then marquee keyword, we provide the width 60%, then direction upward, height 10 100 pixel, and opening angle bracket is closed here. And in between them, we have to put attributes and their values within the first tag, which is the start tag. In between the start tag, we have to put the all the attributes and their values. And after closing the first start tag, please put the text on which we applied the effect or use the image, there we apply the effect. And then last tag is the in tag. This is the simple marquee tag which is normally used to apply the basic effects on our text or images. Okay. Next, tags are the HTML link tag and HTML image tag. What is the HTML link tag? HTML link tags are the nothing but the tag which are used to link the document to the given text or given image. Normally the links are given to the text value. It's not necessary to use the text value. There we given the link. We should use the image also, but I am given the example here for text. That's why I am talking about the text value. Is likewise the marquee text. We have to use certain text information. To that certain text information, we are giving the link, and to give the link into the HTML, we use the tag A. This tag A is called as an anchor tag, and this anchor tag is used to give the links in our web pages. Okay, what is the syntax of that particular? A, opening, first starting tag A, then we use href as the attribute. This is the attribute which holds the value URL. URL nothing but the position of our particular web page, of our particular place where we want to give the link to the text which we have to use here. Means the link text is the text on which when we click onto that particular link is move forward to the URL or to the position which we are given here. Okay, means to that we are going to give the link with the help of a tag, anchor tag, in which opening tag holds the attributes and their value. Then we have to put a text or insert a text on which we have to apply the effect and close the anchor tag. This is the example A, opening angle bracket A, href, that is nothing but the your attributes and the value is www.w3schools.com, and double quotation is complete here, and then the text on which the effects are applied or the link is given, which is a visit w3schools.com. This is the text on which links are applied. Okay. Next important tag is the HTML image tag. This HTML image tag is normally used to insert an image on our web pages. Likewise, here also we have to use tag as a img, and this in this starting img tag we have to insert a attribute. Generally, before this lecture, whatever the text we use, we don't have the attributes. Only use a simple tag that will apply the effect onto the given particular text. But here, start from the marquee text option, we have the attributes. We have to use the attributes and apply certain values to that. According to that attributes and values, we are going to apply the effect on text as well as image data. Okay. Here also img syntax img, and there are the two attributes we use here, src and alt. Src is nothing but the specify the path to the image. Means wherever the image is stored, that path have to be used there, and that's then and then only that particular image will show on your web page. Okay. Then alt is nothing but the alternate text which we have to given here. Means that this particular alt attributes hold the information about that particular image or some of the name of that particular image or certain or related information if you want to show on the web page. That information we have to put into the alt attribute. Okay, this is the syntax one, and this is the example. Img image src source image underscore kenya.jpg. This is the location or place where we stored the image. Alt, this is the information about flowers in Kenya. Okay, this is the way how we can insert an image. But only one thing we have to careful about here about the image tag, that is image tag is a singular tag. You don't have to use the forward slash img keyword to close this image tag. Normally, when we see the link tag or marquee tag, that also has the attributes into the starting tag, but and close with the ending tag as usual. Wherever we see the pair tag, but image tag is a singular tag in which we use the only starting tag and their respected attributes and their values. Okay, these are the three important tags which we see till now. First one is the marquee tag, then HTML links tag, and HTML image tag. Okay, after this, we have to see the program depends on these three tags. Okay, let's see here. This is the program. To demonstration of use of anchor tag A, image tag, and marquee tag. Anchor tag is used for the given the links on text or images. Image tag is used to insert an image. Marquee tag is used to put a effect on text, which is the nothing but the one type of animation effect we are going to apply to the text. That's why we are using the marquee tag. Let's see the example. I am copying the text from here and go to the HTML editor. Basic editor is the notepad editor, and into that I am pasting the whole code. After pasting the code, we have to see the each line. Here we use the document as a HTML as a document, then use the basic tag HTML, then header tag. In between header tag, we use the opening and closing title tag to specify the name of your web page. HTML marquee tag or HTML advanced tag. Whatever the changes if you want to make, you are able to have those facility advanced tag. This is your title of your web page. Then you use the opening body tag. In this opening body tag, first tag we use that is a marquee tag, and this marquee tag is used to apply the animation effect on the text which we have to use here. And width, direction, height. Width, direction, height are the attributes. Width should be 60% of text. Direction we applied here up. If I want to move to the text to the left of the page, that I am using here left. If I want to move the content to the right of the page, then I have to use the position direction here, right? And pixel value should hold with height of the text is a 100 pixel value. Okay, and this is the text. Suppose you want to change a text, and the text will be welcome to the Department of Computer Science. Okay, means this is the text on which marquee effect will apply. Okay, then next is the image source. Source is the image girl.jpg. Alt girl in jacket width of particular image is 50 pixel, the height should be 600 pixel. But this particular image dot girl jpg should have to be stored on your PC, or you have to be use the online image position to use as a source. But this particular jpg file is not available on my PC. That's why I am searching for a image which should be available in a picture. In picture, if suppose I want to use this image, okay, this is the image I want to upload on our web page. That's why I use this image, and after using this image, this is the path, this is the location of image. That location I am copying from here Control C, and go to the program and test here. This is the location or source of the image, and has to be that image has to be uploaded. Okay. Once again, go to the location here. So which image it is? Which image is it? JPG or anything else? Let's see the properties. JPG. Okay. Let's go to the name dot JPG. Okay. And suppose we have to change the alternate text. If you want to change the alternate text, you write the a certain information here. The information look like, suppose I want to place here Lord Krishna. Okay, this is the some information I want to put with the image that should be placed here, and this is width of a picture image which we are going to upload. Next important tag is A. A is the anchor. Anchor tag is normally used view the link to the particular site. Okay, let's see here. Now this is the program is completed. I want to save this file. Go to the file menu, click on save as option, then choose the name. Suppose I'm using the anchor tag. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. आवाज येतोय माझा? हॅलो, काही नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेममुळे माझं लेफ्ट झालं होतं, पुन्हा जॉईन झालं. आवाज येतोय? ओके. Okay, let's see here. Now we have to save the program. To save the program, I want to choose the name as a link dot html and the program saved on the desktop, and click on the option save. When I do this operation, minimize the window, it goes to the link web page and double click on this link web page. Whenever we are going to click on that particular link web page, it will show a web page. Let's see here. The Lord Krishna text is appeared, but the image I want to use, that image not able to access. Why this happen? Some of the formats are not easy to upload. Some of the images are not able to upload that time. That image look like this, and this Lord Krishna text will appear here. Okay, that is the alternate text which are given with this particular image. Okay, let's see here. This is a welcome to the Department of Computer Science. Moving from right to left, because I'm given the direction as a right to left. This is the marquee text. Okay, next the link is given to the visit w3school.com. When we click on this particular visit3school.com, it will move to the location which we given to that text. Okay, let's see here once again. We are opening the text here. This visit school.com work well, but this image is not able to use. Okay, once again, receive the content, save the file as link dot or link to .html. Go to the desktop menu, link to what are the names of the particular image is not able to see here. Once again, change the location of our program. Go to the location and suppose this image you want to use, copy the path, header and SGBAU. Okay, SGBAU, or if suppose if you want to use this, rename NEW, the file name, NEW. Go to the header new.jpeg or JPG, and once again go to the file, click on save as option, link to use link3.html and click on the save option. When you click on the save option, it has been to create the web page as the name link3, and when you double click or right click open option, we will use the particular image is uploaded on your web page. What a mistake we did there? We didn't use the name of our image. That's why the particular location is not correct. Okay, this is how we can insert an image, apply a marquee effect, and apply a link to given text. This is how these three tags work. These are the very basic way to create the web pages with the help of these three tags. Okay, and according to your logic, according to your perception layer, you are going to change the effects, change the direction, change the size of given text, given image on our web page. This is all about your these basic three tags. Okay, next tag is HTML font tag. What is the use of HTML font tag? The HTML font tag are the tags which is normally used to apply the effect on the text, whichever we are going to use on our web page. Okay, first font tag effect is font size. If you want to change the size of a font, then we should use font size 1 as a value, and Department of Computer Science as a text on which we applied a font size effect. Next font type is a next font tag. If you want to change the font type of your given text, then type we use the font face. Font is a tag, size, face is the attribute. The value of face is a times New Roman, size is equal to 6. Okay. Next, if you want to change the color of a given text, then we use a color attribute. Font color is equal to green, and the text on which we applied the effect. This is the basic 3 attributes come up with the HTML font tag that are directly applied on our particular text which we are going to show. Okay, this is the program. Let's copy from here. Control C. Go to the tag. Control A. Control V. Let's see one by one. As usual, HTML.tag tag mentioned here. Then opening the HTML tag. Then head tag. In between, we use the title tag, which specifies us the name of the your web page. That is a font tag example. Then we use the body tag, which is the most important tag of your HTML web page. First, font. Main tag is the font. Font means that particular change the effect of a text or font of a text. Likewise, size, face, color. To change the size of text, use the size attributes. To change the color of a text we use color attribute. To change the type of a text we use the face attribute. Here we use the first font size 10 of HTML tag text. This HTML tag text will be shown as a 10 size. Next text is introduction to font tag that will be used as a 20 size because the size are different. Then we use the next attribute, which is the face attribute, which is normally used to change the type of your text. The next text is the Shankarlal Khandelwal College, Akola, and we want to change the type as a Times New Roman of size 6. If you want to change the size, use here 16. Then next font face means we are changing the type of your text, which is a Vardhana. Size will be 16. I want to change the size to the 26. And the text is the Department of Computer Science. Means wherever we use this text, all the text will apply down to this particular text. And that particular font text flows here by using /font, /font, and break br tag used for the to break the line. Means whatever the content we are appear after this will be shown onto the next line by using the break line tag. Next, font color. And to apply the color to the given text, we are using the two type of format by using the hexadecimal number or by directly putting the name here. This is the hexadecimal position number of green color, font, name of the tag, color, attribute, and this is the value. And this will make effect on the computer lab. This will change to the green color because this is the location or number of your particular green color. Next, again, font, color, green, and effect will be applied to this. Last is the HTML tag, and here we given the simple comment. Comment enclosed between these part. If you want to use the comment, use comment. If you don't want to use the comment, delete from here. Whichever the things we have to follow, please do that. It totally depends on you. Let's see. Here we have completed our program and made all the changes. The next step is just to save the program. Go to the file, click on the save as option, and use the name font and save with the extension HTML. After using the HTML extension, click on the option save. When you click on the option save, minimize all the window and go to the font web page. Let's see here. Double click it on or directly right click on and choose the option open. Let's see here this HTML tag. Here we applied size as a 10 and introduction to font tag. Here we applied size as a 20. Then we use font face tag. That particular tag is used to change the type of text. We convert the text to the Times New Roman type. Then again we convert the text to the Vardhana type, and the size of this text is the 16, and size of this text is the 26. Okay, and the next thing we did to change the color of given text, which is move or converted to green color as I applied on our program. Okay, these are some of the basic program tags which have been completed till now. Till now, if you want to ask me anything about whatever the tags I taught to you, then please go ahead. Or if you don't have to ask me anything, then we have to stop here. Okay. Now the session is open for question and answer.